Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus at home without tahini step by step. Start by draining and rinsing 1 can of chickpeas, reserving some liquid. Roast or sauté garlic briefly for mellow flavor, then combine chickpeas, lemon juice, olive oil, yogurt, salt, and a splash of reserved liquid. Blend until silky, scraping sides as needed. Taste and adjust seasoning, then serve with olive oil and paprika for garnish. Collect your ingredients and measure them out so the process stays smooth and relaxed. Use 1 can of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and 3 tablespoons plain yogurt as a starting point. Squeeze fresh lemon juice and add 1 clove of garlic, more if you like it bold. Keep a bit of the chickpea liquid on hand to loosen the hummus as you blend for perfect consistency and flavor. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes anywhere, and I found it perfect for following steps in the kitchen without splashes on my phone. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it if you want a simple, durable reader. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by softening garlic in a pan or oven to remove harshness, then add it to the blender. Process chickpeas with yogurt, lemon juice, olive oil, and salt, pausing to scrape down the sides frequently. Slowly add reserved chickpea liquid until the texture is creamy and spreadable. Finish by tasting and adjusting acidity and salt, then transfer to a bowl, drizzle olive oil, and chill for a short while before serving to let flavors meld.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.